If you want to learn how to trade just like me, join the community, click the private Discord link, sign up through this membership level, and you will gain access to weekly group mentorship calls for free. Welcome back everyone. Vechain is looking likely that it will lose this support that we marked out on the 4-hour time frame. We do have the 200 EMA over here, so if we do come down to there, this is considered the bottom of our uptrend. In yesterday's update, we saw an EMA repel right over here, giving a slingshot motion. And what we needed to see with Vechain is it to hold this as support to continue this uptrend. But I think during the video already, we were already back underneath. And I showed you that we must maintain this level and the 200 EMA, but also this golden pocket over here. And it can be the 786, as this is the wick. We must see bodies, candles closing above to give pumps like this in order to climb back above the moving averages and break out higher. But if this is all lost, it prepares you with targets to the downside, and we can see that we have our targets pretty much in line with this golden pocket. So what I'm going to do is go back to the daily, but if you haven't already, please do subscribe, like, comment and share. We don't even get 10% likes on each video. We can definitely bump that up for all the free valuable content given out. So in the last few updates, we said the golden cross has formed, something that is changing what we've seen the last few times around, where we have broken through the 200 EMA. The last two opportunities it had, we'd seen breakouts, but we didn't see the 200 and the 55 crossing. That's the white and the orange line crossing over. And with that, it forms an EMA repel. We get hammered back down underneath and look for downtrend continuation. So by forming this crossover right now, it's an extremely bullish signal. But please understand that even though it's crossed over, we need to confirm it as support. So it seems as if we do lose this 200 EMA on the 4-hour time frame, and this support that we can see on the 4, but now also on the daily. So a daily candle close below this point would signal the dump down into this golden cross. This at all costs must hold, simply because it's significant, well, slightly above the golden pocket that has allowed us to attempt to reach these targets, essentially by breaking through this level of resistance over here and flipping into support. As we see over here, you're validating these targets. So we were anticipating an eventual retracement all the way back to this high, where there are some further targets as well, all the way up until 3 cents. However, you can of course invalidate that, or you need to go ahead and lose the golden pocket. And as the golden cross is above that point, if we go ahead and lose both and flip it into resistance, we're retracing back down to this low over here at 1.5 cents. I know it's annoying, but it's not like a nail in the coffin as of now that we are going all the way down there. We still have chances to bounce in this area, as the golden cross, a huge bullish signal that we haven't got on the last two breakouts over here, now must be confirmed as support, and then a reversal for continuation high. If we eventually lose it as support and flip into resistance, this is when it becomes very negative. So that's why I made this emergency warning update to you guys, because yes, we are seeing things that haven't occurred the last few times, which has then eventually resulted in dumps. But that could still be the case if it's not confirmed as support. This is the first signal that you must see, the golden cross being formed. But now, can it actually withstand the bears putting pressure on it, in turn trying to make it give up as support, flipping it into resistance and continue lower? Can the bulls now protect this level? It is very key. I want to know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think is personally going to happen over here? Again, the last two times where we failed to see the cross, we continued lower. But although the cross has appeared, it's a very good statement that there's a higher probability chance than the last two breakouts over here that this is valid. But now it's the time for the test, where the bears will see if the bulls are really there protecting the level between 1.75 cent and 1.9 cent. Please make sure that you've marked out these levels over here. Over the weekend, we must hold this as support to continue higher, or if we fall through this weekend and flip into resistance, we're coming back down to our low over here. But remember, we saw multiple bullish signals down here to actually send us higher and eventually break this 200 EMA. So the fact we also got that golden cross is a huge statement. Now just kiss it as support for the continuation higher. The bearish path is also prepared for you. This is the last update this week. So I'll see you guys on Monday. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share. And please do remember, I've got discounts at the moment. So take action. Use the links down below in the description. Message me on Twitter for the discount promo codes. If you want to hear more about my offers, then I'm going to play a little clip right now for you guys. Cheers, everyone. If any of you are interested in learning how to trade just like me, there's multiple options. Click this ebook. It covers all the strategies that I use in these YouTube updates. So you will have all the same skills, covers the Japanese candlestick, chart patterns, support and resistance, why I use EMAs over trend lines, Fibonacci's, divergences, and again, using these all together to profit using them. I've also got a discount on my course at the moment, which ends at the end of this month. So that's down to £100. You also gain free access to my Discord community for the next 3 months, where you can expect to be a part of 12 to 24 group mentorship calls. If you want something that's a bit more personalized to your needs, then join my one-to-one mentorship plan. You can choose 5 or 10 hours of my one-to-one help, and included will be the 3 months free in the community, as well as my 6-hour long video course.